Yo, Rare River chuck up the bike, brother, in a first gear. Watch out. Forward! But still a notification bell.
Like, subscribe, share, ring the post notification bell so you will be notified whenever we drop a new video.
Them know the thing.
Why? Because they're hard. Zoom them.
Oh, the hell the man reach right there, so. Yo, nothing more than a up tavern school way, dog, I go, brother. But hey, you see something with this square? You see down here, so you have the right of way. Up there, so nobody up there, so not have the right of way. So anybody who come from up there, so must stop and look. You see me? Oh shit. Kind of car that? Nissan. Oh, are the 330Z? May I have to see them car, brother? I hope my microphone is plugged in and that time. Helmet strap up. Yeah, so this is a bad cycle we have to take out today. But hey, me I tell you, say that bike can't chuck up in a first gear. The Rare revs in a first gear. Oh my god, this bike is crazy. Woo! Yo, a long time I not go on the road, you know. Oh man! Make sure strap down them gloves there. Long time I not go on the road, G. Holy moly, Spike is leaning, bro. Woo! Yeah, boy. Oh, God. Watcha bombard! Watcha bombard! Yo, the bus they're right in my corner. That's why you must always, brother, always stay vigilant. Always stay vigilant. Yo, the bus they over from my corner a while ago. Yes. The bus they over from my corner. A good thing me ain't move too fast as well. John wants that. Holy shit, Rare, bring this thing right up, bro! Yeah, boy! Can I break that, brother? What that? Bombard! Man just hold a sudden break a while ago for mister. And then And then he honked me a while ago. Yo, this thing is gnarly, bro. Oh yeah, the handler. I think I can get this from Greg's. Oh damn, that car got a wicked hit. Ooh, it's bouncy. It's very bouncy. That's what she said. That's what she said. My gosh, dudes. I haven't been on a bike in so long, man. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
So like I idiot. My helmet even feels weird on my head. Like it's been a while, man. Like a while. Yeah, them rims could have been bigger and it would have been better. Bigger is better. Woohoo! Yeah, boy! Bike life rules, baby! The only problem I have with this is it won't stop in time. I'm not used to them. Yo, this thing raw revs, man! Oh my god! Yo! Damn, bro! Yeah, boy! What going on here, so? Yes, boy! Kaka and Raymore. Let me just take my time, bro, because man, this bike has me going all sorts of speeds, yo. I always slow down when I reach here, you know. It's just a thing, because so many persons have lost their lives right there, you know. So yeah, 5th gear and just settle, you know. Yeah, boy. Oh, I'm feeling the vibrations now, boy. Yes, sir. Miss bikes, man, and I love bikes. I miss him and I love him. You know, 3 Pro Box, I walk one. The Pro Box link up. Carry the back of me. Go on through my G. Can go on, we not 2 speed. My god, this thing vibrates, man. Sheesh. Oh, this there, Val. I go on, no good? I not even have nothing can help, you know. I realize I'm not no tool in my bag. Jesus Christ. Slow down on them corner here. Just I realize I'm not no tool in my bag. Oh my lord. That is not me. I always have my tools, brother. You don't want to strand in the road. That me I tell you. Hey boy, go back in a line, you know, what I'm to you. Yeah boy. lock the clutch. Make that one go on ahead of me. Oh, then take off them with him there. Watch me back by looking in this car's reflection to make sure that the car that behind me now come up too quick or too near. You understand what I'm saying? Do a little dirty move a while ago still. Go out and me see a truck. I mean nobody go in. Stay out. That would have been disastrous, man. Okay, I go overtake you now. But the man a put out some driving at the blow. No yacht. Walk the man a put out driving at the blow. Up the back of him. Whoa, truck a come down, slow down. Hey boy, take time with the people them in the vehicle, you know. Oh sir. Take time with the people them in the vehicle, sir. Oh, that me I tell you, sir. Oh my God, why does the sky look so cloudy? Meow, 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 meow. Ooh. Dude, this bike is so bouncy, like. It's very bouncy, man. I think it's the tires. Got the front tire ball, basically. Yo, whoa! Machines! One of them look like one Kawi. Look like one Kawasaki. The back one look like a Z900 or maybe at the Z650. Bombard! I go post up back on one post tire. Nah, touch no wheel. Yeah, back brake. Watch it. What is somebody I drive, sir? Boy, oh, let them draw! Let them draw! Bombard! Lord God, I'm going, sir. Jesus! First of all, I think go hospital him did I go. Kind of an hazard, but he take them off. Dog just a drive wicked. Oh, the blood see the dog a drive wicked your far. Bombard! Yo, the dog. Yo, me laugh alive. Yo, the man a do some blows and skirt swing. Easy with the road about chop. Bombard. The man a move grimy outfit. He said the man a put on some Peter drive it. And people in that way, you know. Ratted him never give me key. How the rat did this? Yo, you give me key? Alright guys, so Virgin forgot to give me the key for the gas tank. Forgot to give me the key for the gas tank. So me couldn't put no gas in my bike. So now me have go ride, go respond him there, collect the key and buy gas and go where me need for go. Yo, a sample this. Hopefully it can carry me go, cause him put it on reserve. Him put it on reserve just before he give me it. I may never ride go nowhere beside right here, so. Whoa! So all me do, me just course it. Woo! First gear. So we trial. Shut him off. And course him go down, you see me? I bust a mini wheelie a while ago in a Stone Hill Square. But me never turn on the camera half showing it. One mini wheelie. I never nothing at all. Never nothing at all. Mini wheelie. The wheel came like a couple inches off the ground. Me can't do no high wheelie Panda bike here. A matter of fact, me not supposed to do no wheelie Panda bike here, you understand? Cause in truth and fact, we do not wheelie person's bike. But this bike feels so sweet. You understand what I'm saying? Go on, man, press gas, press gas. Of course. Come on, baby! Come on, baby! Woo! Yeah, of course, the fader, boy! I want the bike can turn on, whatever. Brother saying they all the way up on Blows and Skirt South Camp Road. One thing with the bike, I can quote the bike come like a free gear, it, you know. No joke. I'm coasting this thing all the way, bro. Let's go. What is up? How y'all doing today, boy? And females, how you doing today? I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. I'm having a fantastic day because what? I'm out on 2 wheels, boy. I'm out on 2 wheels and I'm enjoying it like always, man. Gotta be looking behind me to see if anything is coming behind me, yeah. Cause I'm just coasting this straight down, boy. Just like a boss. You understand? Oh, them reach up on me. Why them reach up? Them itch up on me and now. Yes, let me just go over to the left and let them pass. Like a good boy, you know, very good boy. Come on, press gas, pass. There you go. Good boy, good boy. Should get you a treat. Everything happened for a reason, yo. Like maybe if I had gas in this bike, I would be riding it like a crazy person, man. Come on, just like cause there was a vehicle in front of me. Yo, me I tell you, the man I put on a piece of, and people dead in the vehicle, you know, like one little pitney in the vehicle as well, G. Like what? Come man, come. Press gas, press one. What the fudge? I was just something. Me and one papa he couldn't pass it. I no pass. Go. That's how you do it, boy. Man, it work. Boy. Let me look behind me if you see my car. Oh, that thing is pretty, boy. Yes, sir. Okay, we're not going to break any stoplights. We're good boy. We're very good boy, and we go. Mini wheelie. I didn't want to bring it up too much. Y'all understand what I'm saying, man? Yeah, boy. I feel so good, man. I'm out on 2 wheels today, boy. Yeah, like this. Okay. Yo, me I tell you, man. Anytime when me no ride, man, me I tell you, yo, just cruising the day, boy. We ain't doing no fast speeds, man. Just cruising it, man, because I ain't got a lot of fuel, you know. And we don't want to run out of fuel, boy. Oh, I know that girl. Damn, she's still fine, bro. She's still fine. She's a 7-day Adventist like me, you know. Yeah. I ain't even doing no wheelies, man. Like I'm doing like some baby like catwalks. You know, you're just creeping it up, boy. I can't now do wheelies, man. Say what I'm saying, man. I'm in the town and I gotta be going town speeds, brother. I wanna be going fast. I gotta be short shifting this thing cause on a cruise. Oh, he's slowing down. Let's go. Okay, there we go. Holy at that. This thing is wobbling like a motherfucker. Look at that. Dude, this thing is wobbling, man. Like, what the fuck? I'm afraid of this bike right now, boy. Like, I'm very afraid, man. Like, very, very. Very afraid, man. I don't. Very afraid. Chop up road, yo. What the fuck? This dude crossed all the way over. We got a red light up ahead, something going on. Downshift like a boss. Downshift like another boss. Downshift like a bigger boss. Shoulder check. Yeah. Oh my god, bro. Like, we got pretty girls on the right like that. Yeah, they look good. Oh my god, I almost. Hey, if they need drive out, that would have been an emergency braking situation right there, boy. That would have been an emergency brake situation right there, boy. Want the drive out? Stay to your left, please, sir. Do not come. Hey, if you come over here, say, man. I'm not gonna break any stoplights today, man. Gonna be a real good boy. Oh, there's something coming up. So when you not go through traffic like this, yo, always expect somebody to drive out. Because nobody no really go want to stay in the line of traffic like that. Everybody try to find the lane that is more freer. You understand what I say? Everybody try to find the better lane. So when you go through a lane split, always. Oh, dog, them a chop road. Hey! Always be vigilant and expect somebody to turn out. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. Always expect somebody to turn out, brother. That's one of the things that I always keep in the back of my mind. The fact that somebody will always turn out on me when I go through traffic, lane splitting and all. So I always try to be prepared. Even sometimes when I go fast, I always have it in my mind, in my head. Shoulder check. Because I know I go want to filter. I can't filter right, so I go left. It's not good to filter left though. Look, go through. Oh, stop. Buju Bantan just said to me, take out yourself and make sure you make it back in a one piece. Buju Bantan just said that to me a while ago.
Take back yourself and make it in a one piece.
Yeah, me a play song in my ears. Driver, don't stop at all. Yeah. So me a keep Buju Bantan words in my thoughts right now. Watch that, watch there. Me see me now. See man. Alright, watch out now. Can't go right because the vehicle is over there, so just slow down. Look right now. Over on the right. Alright, we're not. We're going to go in here so now. Take it on the right. Watch the carrier. Go straight down. I check the van him right indicator so he might turn, so expect traffic to slow down. Alright, that carrier look like them all let him in. Slow down. Wait till the car come out. Go out there, sir. Come off of the white line. Ride in at the. Pick up yourself, rider. Always ride in at the part of the mirror. Or we call it the wheel bearing. Oh, that carrier turn. Slow. That clutch I need to adjust, brother. Damn, this is like hell, bro. Like just some bike man down here, so. The two trust down here, so you know, cause why them we be a robbery go on at them place, yeah. You understand what I'm saying? Oh, mama mia, the sun is a man. Green for me. Even though you get the green, always look to. Stay vigilant, keep your eyes open, head left, right, all round. You understand what I'm saying? Use up your hand. Alright, so we want to turn left, so I go indicate left and take time merge on the left. Stay in our left lane, no need for. Hello, beautiful. Okay, I'm running out of gas. Turn left, yeah, so check the right, continue. Alright, whoa. Watch the car, watch him wheel, make sure say nah spin to come over upon you. National Library right there, so Kingston St. Andrew Public Library. Oh my god, the breeze feels so good, man. The breeze feels so good. Over there, so now we have soldier camp. Up park camp. Dude, I'm hungry. Gear down. You see that sign there right there, so? Means yield. So if anything I come, you must stop. Hello, beautiful. I'm here for the girls, man. I'm here for the girls. What? Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey. Ooh. I felt good, man. Blah, blah. Oh, this nigga, oh, something across. Oh, people across. And bike about gas good, brother. Can reserve a carry me all the way, man. Taxi I pull over. Yeah. I'm on the right track. I thought I lost where I thought I forgot where I was going. I didn't remember, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, there we go. I'm almost at my destination, Sabina Park. You understand what I'm saying? Even when me a shoulder check. Even when me a shoulder check for other riders, bikers as well, because they'll creep up on you, man, and their bikes are fast as a mouthbound. Excuse me. Come on, go, bro. What you doing? You on your phone and shit, man? Get off your phone, brother. Oh my god, I went in freaking. What gear was that, man? Oh my god. Alright, guys, I'm at my destination, so I'll see you on a bit.